Hi everyone, back to my old self where I would just film makeup with music on in the background and do a voiceover. So, hello. I'm going to do a natural look, try to do sort of like a smoky Siren Eye because that's super popular right now. And yeah, just doing some skin prep with moisturizer, an SPF, and a primer. And now I'm using this very blush colored what are they called? Like an eyeliner. I think it's one of those that you can use, eyeliner, lip liner. It's a mix of all that. So put it down in the description for you. And the e.l.f. palette that Mark Acosta actually gave me. I don't know where he found it, but I've been using it, sanitized it. But, just some neutral colors and matte colors. And I'm going in, just trying to smoke my eye out, elongate them a little bit. And now a highlighter, which I'm sure you've seen me use a whole bunch of times. I like to do the inner corners of my eyes, and like right above where I put that inner corner eyeliner, I used a brown eyeliner, which I also used for my eyebrows. Is that bad? I watched a Robert Welsh video on how to do your coverage with one of those brushes, and he was like, you just like flick it against your face and whatever. I don't really like using brushes, but I also bought this beauty blender. Putting it right on the top of my foundation was not a good idea. I should have poured more on my hand and then used it. But yeah, I dampened it first, and then I did my foundation, which came out cool. I mean, it came out nice. I didn't need the brush for it. I'll try the beauty blender again. It felt fun. And putting blush on my eyes and realizing that my eyeshadow's a little off kilter. Doesn't match. I'm not symmetrical. And now I'm trying to use the beauty blender, which is still damp from before, so maybe that's why it got all clumpy with this setting powder, but I'm trying to dust off as much as I can on my hand. Still felt cool. This lasted a while, so, nice. But I also didn't go outside. I wasn't sweating or anything, so I don't know what it's going to hold up like. I'll try again. And highlighting my Cupid's bow and putting on some chapstick because I need it. And mascara. Maybelline Great Lash. It's like the oldest mascara ever. And I just really like the shape of the wand still. Gets into all those little creases and corners. And I think it looks nice. A little smoky, a little simple. And you know the drill. If you got to this point, thank you for watching. And, I don't know, like and follow and subscribe or whatever if you want to continue watching my videos. And now I'm fixing my eyelashes because I felt like they needed a little push-up. Thanks for watching. Bye.